Welcome everyone. This is Malti Ankodia from GPC Ajmer. Today we are going to study about job application with Curriculum Vitae. In this module, you will learn how to write a cover letter and Curriculum Vitae for a job application. An introduction. Job application should be written in a courteous tone without appearing ingratiating. Be accurate, brief and concise. Check your spelling, grammar and punctuations carefully and then prepare a final draft, because it is a formal letter which serves as a first communication between you and the prospective employer. And if it is not well drafted, you will make no headway despite the requisite qualification and the job skills. Therefore, it is essential that you take care of even the minutest details while drafting your job application. It is essential that your application stands out and gets you shortlisted as a prospective employee. Yes? Now, see one sample I have written for you. This is the covering letter. Write an applicant address on the top left hand corner of the sheet as the address for all future correspondence. Do not punctuate it. Write the date in this manner. Never write date with hyphen and slashes. Yes? And do not superscript it like 9th or 10th. In a simple manner, you just write like this. Leave a line. Then mention the receiver's address here. If name has been given in the question, then you mention. Otherwise, mention the designation here. Then, without leaving line, mention his address also. Then leave one line, mention subject, and it should be very precise. Like I have written, application for the post of headmistress. Again, leave one line, then salutation, put salutation. Now, this is the body of your letter and it has 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph, you write the reference. Like this is with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India dated April 7, 2020. I wish to apply for the same. In the next paragraph, you provide your current status and availability of yours for an interview. Like, I am currently the middle school in charge of reputed convent school, a post that I have held for 2 years. I find myself suited for the above mentioned post. Yes? And the last paragraph, you just provide information about enclosure. I am enclosing my curriculum vitae for your kind perusal. I shall be glad to provide any additional information in case you desire. Yes? And then you just leave a line and provide complimentary closing, then signature, and then your name should be written within a bracket. If name has been given in the question, then you need to mention. Otherwise, don't mention your name. Just mention ABC or XYZ. Then leave one line. Here we need to put enclosure also, curriculum vitae. Now, see the curriculum vitae. This is our curriculum vitae. And it should be written in a neat rectangular block. Yes? Now then provide, and Heading is Curriculum Vitae. You can write resume, biodata also, and then provide your personal information into neat column, and then provide your qualification, educational and professional qualification in a table. This is provided in a reversed chronological order. The highest and the latest is mentioned first here, and the secondary or senior high secondary should be mentioned at the end. Then experience is mentioned here in a bulleted points. Then salary, how much salary do you expect. Then reference also, 2 references have been given here in a bulleted point. Then at the end, your CV must be signed along with the date to validate that it is updated. Yeah, I have not written date here, just mention the date also. So here we have completed our job application. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you everyone.